AI will replace your business. No, that's not gonna happen, especially for real estate agents. People still want that human connection. People will want somebody to show them houses. People want people to guide them to every step of the way. AI is not going to replace your business as a real estate agent. AI will help you do things better. AI will help you do it in quicker time. But do not think and do not listen to all these negative news out there that AI is going to be taking over your job. There's no way an AI is going to be able to guide the client the way that you do. AI does not know the locations as well as you do. AI does not know the house as well as you do, especially when you go look at it. And people will still want a trusted real estate agent to help them and guide them through every step of the way. And this is the same for a lot of other businesses as well. Yes, AI may make some things a lot better and may help us not rely on things that we were paying for before, such as maybe, blogging or maybe, helping us with listing descriptions and things like that. However, it's not going to replace your career as a real estate agent. So make sure that you are putting the right things in your mind and using AI to benefit you and not let it scare you.